ride him a lot, I put boots on the front so I don't have to put shoes on him.
Okay.
But the boots don't fit him because he's got a little bit of extra toe.
Okay. Come on. Good boy. There we go. Okay, okay.
It's too much for him.
And Hanging Rock, you got to pay to get in there.
I don't know. I've never been up there.
Okay. I just came, like I was a little bit early, so I took a drive up there, but it's all gated off, and then
Oh, is it?
yeah, like a theme park.
So I don't go too far away because you'll start screaming out for the other horses.
Yep, yep.
So I'll just stay in a nice big area here.
Yep, yep.
Just watch out for some potholes. It's a little bit easier on his feet because he's pretty unfit.
Okay, hold on. Oh, look at that. Okay, hold up. Good boy. Good boy. There we go.
Have him sort of soft and low. Like, see, he can, just by doing that I can get him down. But you just got to be sick. Oh, and good boy. So that's where I like to have him.
Yep, yep.
But when his head's up, that's when he's tense.
Yeah, you got a lot more finesse than I have.
I've been riding since I was 12.
I've been falling off since about the same age, by the way. Hanging Rock. Woohoo! Nice game.
Get him really, really soft, and then you just let go. Oh, good boy.
Head down, looking real good. no, and all your riding, as I said, you know, how you sit in the saddle and that, you know, very professional. Hang on, head up. Okay, good to go.
I think it just went off.
It'll still keep going. Just the picture goes. Sensational. I can't actually believe I put long pants in. Well, as I said, it was a miracle I had to find shoes because James said, oh, you'll need shoes where we're going this afternoon. Great stuff.